We grow up being told what we should be. Follow the familiar path. Take the safe route. But no one asks, what if you want to create something of your own? What if you want to tackle real challenges, make a difference, and build something that could change lives? The journey isn't easy. It's full of challenges, and the road can be lonely. But for those who dare to dream big, the rewards can shape not only your future, but the future of your community. But you don't have to walk it alone. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 5.0 is here to support those who are ready to rise above the barriers. This is more than a competition. It's a movement, a chance to access the mentorship, resources, and support you need to make your impact bigger, to take what you've started and scale it to new heights. This challenge, launched by the government of Meghalaya, is designed to support innovative businesses and early-stage enterprises. It's more than just a competition, it's a platform that offers mentorship, funding, and resources through Prime's 9th-month incubation program. If you're a resident of Meghalaya with an existing business and are ready to scale, this is your chance. The top 75 will receive business support grants, with the top 35 receiving 2 lakhs and the top 40 earning 1 lakh to fuel their growth. You'll also get access to incubation programs, networking opportunities with successful entrepreneurs, and a suite of essential startup tools. In addition, you'll benefit from one-on-one mentoring with seasoned professionals, boot camps to sharpen your skills, and access to funding, market connections, and co-working spaces in Shillong and Tura. It's time to go beyond dreaming. The future is yours to shape.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Your moment is here.
Hakani ke jingbo mau Nongrim le dan lang ulat ke jelau CH Vijaya Shankar, Menteri Rang Ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma, ke Menteri Ketenat Kakoi Kakya i Dr. Ampurin Lingdo bat kiwe-kiwe. Ya ke Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub ante ke jaka ke banhe nreo point sansau akar haniu Shillong. Ha ke jinglut ke bakot nyau point san klur tengka. Habakran ke jingelang Vice President kari Jagdeep Thangkar ulong bakathan telam mingi ke don hagi kampan roy jongkari ula banjur bakathan telam mingi kalau nak senyang ha ke jingeteli ke jingkiu ke yok kokot kalariti jongkari bad ulero ya ke look east bad act east policy ke belawan ra ki kampan roy ha kilat ekran ke let kawan bad ke jingtei ki kat lingsun ya kathan ulong ba ke jing tibet kamdai ke basulap ne ke basu sandur mereka dia kejing penan kam ke besi sotam ya kasap akan no kam kapan bahatam ya kasap juki beliau bat kejing pentibet kam dai tangka kam mereka dia kejing don kam Vice President ula keren rucap hang kejing wanra ya ketenat skill development bat entrepreneurship ke bekerpang bat kejing bo kerpang ndreu po wajar kelur na kebentak internship ya ki san lagngot ki samlah ki san senam da ke benrap bagi snong bagi jaka kapsor ki di long ki jaka pedeng jong kini ke jaka ai jing pentibet ulong bakakam jung okai kalaban kentio bhai kayok kokot jong ke Meghalaya baru ulong ru bakamai mariang kala ai ke jing itenat ke Meghalaya bar ula kentui ki beriau bagin penan kami kani da kabadoni ki beriau ki bala pentibet hakane kakam.
It's a remarkable achievement that will be game changer. What I saw here, and much of it is already in progress. I can visualize the days of this state are for the better and role model for other similar states. My congratulations to you and your team for being very thoughtful, futuristic, and taking into consideration our contemporaneous needs and requirements. Congratulations. We will be contributing hugely to the growth of the nation. And therefore, this has to be done. Skilling by itself is capacity building. I have seen for myself. We don't take the first step. We fear it. We fear it thinking it is difficult. Let me tell you, there is no step which our youth cannot take. All are equal. You must be guided by your attitude and aptitude. But therein, if you get an idea in your mind, please don't make your mind as a parking place. Your mind is meant to be a crucible of innovation. Try it. But let me assure you all, and the Honorable Governor pointed out, the demographic composition of the state is very soothing, wholesome, and is a perfect recipe for success. The teenage youth, the mid-level youth, the mature youth, and the 15% category. 15% category is also good cholesterol required. A visit by legislators to Indian Parliament will make all the difference. It will add value to their work pattern.